Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that controls this device and that you've backed up important files because switching channels can trigger a power wash. Once done, open Settings, scroll to About Chrome OS, and click Detailed Build Info. You need to be on a device where channel switching is permitted. Managed school or work devices may block it. This gets you to the control panel where the channel option appears. Now choose the channel that fits your needs. Stable for reliability, Beta for upcoming features with fewer bugs, Dev for active development testing, or Canary for daily builds. Click Change Channel, pick one, and carefully read the prompt about stability and potential data loss. Once you accept, Chrome OS will download the new build and schedule an update. Make sure your device is plugged in and has a solid Wi-Fi connection. Intermittent power or network. After the restart, Chrome OS will install the chosen channels build. This can take a while, so be patient and keep the device connected. Once it finishes, go back to About Chrome OS to verify the channel and version. If you encounter instability, use settings to change back to stable and perform a power wash if required. That will reset local data, but often resolves issues. If channel options are missing on a managed device, contact your administrator because they control update.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.